Hi friends, in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can find your Wi-Fi password. Sometimes it happens that we forgot our Wi-Fi password. So it is possible that you can check your Wi-Fi password from your desktop computer. You can also use this trick in your office if you want to use Wi-Fi in your Android phone. And if you don't know its password. So what you have to do, you have to left click on the signals. Now select your network and click and right click now. Now go to the properties option, and now when you check this option you will see the password. Yes, network security key is your Wi-Fi password, so you can easily see what's your Wi-Fi password. Hopefully this video will help you to find your Wi-Fi password. Bye for now.